In this video, we are going to demonstrate interference of microwave by two plates of dielectric media. As usual, the receiver is arranged to get maximum reading at the beginning. As the dielectric media, we will use paraffin plates whose thickness are 15 millimeters. When a paraffin plate is placed between transmitter and receiver, the scale reading decreases a bit. Now let's put another paraffin plate in front of the first one. When their faces are touching, the scale reading decreases further. Let's move the second plate further away from the first one. You can see that the reading increases to almost maximum scale. This is achieved when the distance between those plates is 15 millimeters. If we move further, we get the reading drops again to minimum when the distance is around 23 millimeters. We get the reading rise again to almost maximum scale when the distance is increased to around 30 millimeters. We get the reading drops again to minimum when the distance is around 37 millimeters. We get the reading rise again to almost maximum scale when the distance is around 45 millimeters. We get the reading drops again to minimum when the distance is around 53 millimeters. Now we'll show you that this interference pattern can still be detected when the distance between those plates is quite long. Let's start with 300 millimeters. Now the front plate is moved slowly approaching the rear one, and we can see the scale reading oscillates accordingly.